Who doesn't love Halloween, right? Well, if you're looking for some Halloween party drink ideas, I've got some original Halloween mocktail recipes that make for perfect non-alcoholic Halloween drinks. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video I've got some easy Halloween drinks, all non-alcoholic cocktail recipes that will completely blow your friends' minds. Now, if you're new to the channel and you're looking for the best advice on all things bartending on a cocktail, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a video when it comes out. Now, don't worry about having to hunt down any of these ingredients or equipment or anything like that. I went ahead and put links in the description below, so once you're done watching this video, you see something you like, just go ahead and click away, and you'll be off to Amazon to pick up everything you need. Now, of course, you know my Halloween mocktails are going to be easy mocktails to make at home. I've got Halloween drinks that smoke, Halloween drinks with dry ice, so you know that these are going to be Halloween drink ideas that are easy mocktail recipes, guaranteed not to be boring. Now, the first of our Halloween party drinks is going to be the non-alcoholic riff on its boozier predecessor, the Duppy Collector. If you want to see how to make that one and some other boozier Halloween cocktails, you can check out this video right here. Now, for this mocktail drink recipe, all you're going to need is 2 ounces of banana nectar, 1 ounce of non-alcoholic falernum, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and half an ounce of spice syrup. If you want to know how we made our spice syrup, you can go ahead and check out this video right here. Add some ice to your shaker and give it a nice good shake. Go ahead and take your favorite spooky looking tiki mug with a little bit of crushed ice in there and go ahead and pour your cocktail into that. Add some more crushed ice and then go ahead and take a hollowed out lime half, preferably the one that you use for this fresh lime juice, and sit that on top of your ice. Add a little bit of overproof rum to the lime half. Now, of course, this is not going to go in the cocktail at all. This is just for the special effect. You add that to your cocktail, light the rum on fire, and then you're going to go ahead and take some nice cinnamon, some cinnamon powder, sprinkle it over the top so you get the sparkly, mystical, special effect. Sorry, I'm at a loss for words. It's pretty though. By the way, I'd love to know if you have a favorite Halloween drink, non-alcoholic of course, that you'd like to share with us. Drop it in the comments below and help out the rest of us that are looking for some new Halloween drinks for party. Now, second of our easy cocktails for Halloween is going to be our non-alcoholic riff on what we call Merlin's elixir. Now, this was originally a gin cocktail, so we're going to be using a hack featured in this video right here, which is something you should also check out if you're looking to enjoy mocktails at home. Now, for this one, you're going to go ahead and take 1 ounce of cherry and juniper infused syrup. And if you're looking for some easy, effective techniques for infusing syrups or spirits or anything like that, you can go ahead and check out this video right here. Go ahead and add 1 ounce of butterfly pea flower tea, 2 ounces of pear juice, half an ounce of fresh lemon juice, and about half a bar spoon of pearl dust. Go ahead and add those to your shaker. Give it a nice shake with ice and strain it into your beaker. Top it off with 1 ounce of chilled sparkling water. Give it a nice stir. And once you're stirring it, you're going to go ahead and see that sparkly, cloudy, mystical kind of look, which basically is just makes for a fun presentation. Merlin's elixir. And finally, we have our non-alcoholic riff on our Zombie's Blood cocktail. Now, for this one, all you're going to do is go ahead and grab 1.5 ounces of sorrel, half an ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of juniper infused syrup, and 2 ounces of sparkling water. Go ahead and add some ice to your mixing glass and give it a nice stir. Once it's properly incorporated, go ahead and pour that into your beaker and then add a pebble or two of dry ice to it. Now, a few things to remember when you're working with dry ice, or in fact using dry ice in your cocktails. Make sure when you're ordering it, you get food grade dry ice. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that you're using protection when you're handling it at all times. Wearing gloves or using tweezers to place it in your cocktail. Try not to touch it directly. It's extremely cold and can in fact burn your skin. As a matter of fact, that's one of the reasons why we're using a straw in this cocktail, to keep that layer of separation between the ice and your guests drinking it. And these are my Halloween mocktails for this year. Fun Halloween drink, easy. And if you're looking for products to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and download our free PDF, the Barprints Cheat Sheet. It shows you everything you need to know to go from a novice bartender to a pro in less than 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I hope you have, please give it a like and share it with your friends. It helps the channel out way more than you know. And for some more great bartending advice, go ahead and check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next one.